Limbuda, limbuda, limbuda. Firstly, by putting my phone on silent. Hey you guys, so we're gonna be doing something a little bit different today. We're gonna be making my personal favorite, the avocado dip, also known as guacamole or guacamole, however you pronounce it. And every single time I make it, all of my friends and family, they go crazy asking me how did I make it. So we're gonna see how exactly I make it. Stay tuned to see the entire recipe. Trust me, it's the best and the easiest recipe that I've found, and it's just yummy, all goodness. It's super easy to make and it takes literally 5 to 10 minutes to make once all your prep work is done. So my prep work is done. Let's see what all ingredients do we need. Let's get rolling. Here is the ingredient list that you will need to make the most perfect and the most delicious guacamole. Some finely chopped garlic, I take about 3 to 4 cloves. 1 finely chopped green chili, some finely chopped onions, also some well chopped tomatoes. I personally hate tomatoes in general, but when it comes to the avocado dip, I love tomatoes. 1 whole lemon, an avocado, of course. I'm gonna be taking 1 because we're literally just 2 people who eat the avocado dip in my house. If you want to make it for more people, you just double up all of the ingredients along with your avocados. Salt, crushed black pepper, and some red chili flakes. And lots of flour. So the first and the most important part is about how to cut an avocado. Now I'm not a pro, so don't look at me. You just take a spoon and scoop out the goodness. Now we take the seed out. I'm gonna start pressing from the edges to release the seed out. It's working pretty well. I think we have it. Oh, the baby is born. Now again, as before, we take out all of the goodness from our avocado and into a bowl. This is as good as it gets. Pretty clean, scooped out very well. The first thing that you want to do right after scooping out your avocado is put in the juice of 1 lemon. This will prevent the avocado from becoming a little darker or changing color. So we add a juice of lemon. Right after that, we mix in all of our ingredients right into the avocado before we mash it up so that all the juice is released and spread and disperse equally. Our chopped chili, finely chopped garlic, some onions. We have all of our ingredients in this. We're gonna wait to add tomatoes until the end after we mash it up because we don't want to smush the tomatoes. At this point, I would also go ahead and add my seasonings. So I do a little bit salt as per as my taste. I always taste my avocado dip towards the end to see if there's any salt that I need to add or if I need to add more lemon or spice or anything at all. Some black pepper. Oh god, that just flew. And some red chili flakes for the kick. Then you just go ahead and start mashing it up. I firstly chop it like that to get the pieces a little smaller, and then I mash it up. While mashing, you're also mixing all of the ingredients together. And then mixing all of my ingredients together and mashing whatever pieces, like the bigger chunks, are left behind. If your avocado is at the right stage, it just gets super easy to mash it up very quick, very easy. And now that our avocado is mashed and mushed pretty well, we go ahead and add our tomatoes. So I'm just gonna add... I actually add a lot of tomatoes because I love tomatoes in my avocado dip. And then you can go ahead and mix it up. It's so colorful, so vibrant, so fresh, and I'm sure it's yummy because it always is. At least that's what people say, and that's what I also feel. But yeah, that's what people say. People love my avocado dip. I'll just do a little taste test. It's perfect. Like every single time, it's perfect. And that's it, you guys. This is our avocado dip, already super fresh, vibrant and yummy. As you can see, I always suggest, and that's what I personally always get for myself, are these Cornitos Nacho Crisps. These are gluten free and it's sweet chili. That's what I love the most. It's so yum. Let me try one. I just like to scoop some and get lots of tomatoes. Oh my god, you guys, It's perfect. It always is. That's why everyone loves my avocado dip, because it's so perfect. It's so full of flavors. It's so delicious. And that's it, you guys. That's the entire video. I'm gonna binge watch something while I eat my avocado dip. Why do I call it an avocado dip? My guacamole. And yeah, if you like my video, if you found it helpful, and if you're gonna make the recipe, give this video a like. Also, please do subscribe to my channel. That way I'll know that you're loving my content, and I'll try to keep producing more and more. I'm a one-man army. So yeah, show your support by subscribing to my channel, and that's about it. See you until the next time. I'm telling you, you guys need to try and make this recipe, because you'd want to kiss the chef's hand, and the chef is gonna be you, so everybody's gonna be kissing your hands. So